morning, happy Saturday. I am popping on here today to show you the black Athena Demiette. I've told all you guys many times I am a cami girl through and through. I love the support from the cami with my back and everything. But today I put on the black Athena Demiette, and so I thought I'd show it to you. So basically, the Demiette is a true bra replacement. So we're going to get rid of that bra, we're going to get rid of that underwire, and we are going to get full support. No underwire, no boning on the side, because it's no different than wearing an wire. And you can see I am lifted and supported. I have great smoothing and upper back support. I'm fully covered, and I have no gapping. So what do you get with a regular bra? You get gapping, you get your underwire poking, and you don't get the support. And what else do you get? Normally in a bra, you have buckles in the back. You sit, you feel those buckles. Now you don't have to. So if you're looking for a true bra replacement and you just don't want to wear a cami, the Demiette is great. So again, this is the black Athena. So it's got a little bit of silk right here, and then underneath your band here. Now, you know, I do have this, so my band will periodically roll, just like that. I can't feel it. I don't know it's there. It doesn't bother me. Just make sure when you put your Demiette on that you grab underneath, not grab, kind of put your hands underneath, just lift up so that this band is right up underneath your girls. That helps keep it from rolling. But like I said, if you do get a little bit of a roll, it's not going to go anywhere. If you notice that you get a lot of rolls, some of them, just make sure that you roll it up first. Once you get it there, it's good to go. It's not going to go anywhere. And again, way more comfortable than a bra. So I just wanted to pop on and show you the Athena Black Demiette that I am actually wearing today instead of a cami. And if you guys have any questions, let me know, and have a great day. Bye.